that to that one. And we've got battery voltage, which means we don't have an inline resistor. Here we're going to cut that off and that off. Slide on our shrink tubing. And we're going to put a butt connector in. Crimp that. Strip ends off of that. Purple to purple. That was a little tie. That's good. We're going to pull our shrink tubing up. Make sure it's centered. Make sure our ends are watertight. And we're all set. And then this end, we're going to plug into the coil once we get the distributor in. I'll fish it around here just to make it look neat. That's it. Just touch that there and then touch your lat to a ground. Battery voltage. So we're good. Now we got pressure coming out of one, and we want to go right there. Okay. Alright, so we're going to put this down in here. Keep debris from falling down in the engine when we scrape the gasket off. We're going to get a scraper. If this leaks, you'll never figure out where oil's dripping out of in the back of the motor. New gasket, put that there to figure out where to turn the oil pump shaft. To get it to go in, we're going to go back just a little bit, and then we're going to flip the to figure out where to turn the oil pump shaft. And we're going to go ahead and drop this in. And that should lock right into place. Alright. And on that, engine fired up, so we can still rotate the distributor. Probably give it half a crank, just so it's somewhat snug but not real tight. Okay, that's it for that. That one. That's it.
Cool.
Is it on?
No.
Oh.
On now.
Yep. Yep. And we can usually check for power. So we've got 14 volts there. That's a good spot to hook up our timing. This is our timing shunt.
Okay.
We'll plug this in here. We're going to hook this on up here. And you'll hear a difference in the engine RPM. It drops. That means it's in timing mode. You want to shoot that one more time?
Yep.
It's up to 8 degrees. That's our idle RPM. Lined up the top dead center. Probably give it half a crank. Center.
And we're rolling.
just a second. It basically goes like that. Or when you're going in reverse, it goes like that, and that's it. So that single black wire, come over here, is going to get hooked up to one of these wires, and we've already got wires in the harness for it. And then the remaining wire is actually going to go to a 12-volt positive. So when this button right here gets pushed, that closes the circuit, and you're, for half a second, putting power directly to the distributor, and that will reduce the RPMs so you can shift in and out of gear smoothly. That's it.